Got the canoe out. This is gonna be a real trip. Haven't been doing much this summer, but Stillwater Reservoir. My snowmobile video where we're all parked here, and there's the place we ate, restaurant. Remember this? We got right on the snowmobiles and cruised over there. Taking the canoe to that island and camping out for a few days, actually, a couple nights. Launch right off here. Got Bobcat.
Yeah, it's like 39.
Melody Island it is. Number 39. We're here. We're gonna go right there, be on our own little island. We could pick this site. Someone's in this one. But we're gonna go right there. It is a beautiful day. Woo, we're loaded heavy though. Yeah, nice talking to you as well. Good luck with the more. What did you just catch that you threw back in? Smallmouth. Smallmouth?
Yeah, I think that's the critical 6 one.
Wow.
Every night walker I'm getting. But see, I was marking them. I'm usually fishing with a 7. It's just beautiful.
There's no trout or anything like that, right?
There's splake.
Okay.
Splake are in out that way about 400 or 500 yards. So
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Good idea with the outrigger stuff.
Yeah, I'm happy with them because it can get tippy.
Yeah.
Two miles? You hear that?
What?
Me neither. Bobcat's pet firefly. You see that there? I'm going to have to do some audio edits on this because my external mic, when I kept unplugging it, the GoPro audio wasn't turning on, and it usually does, so we'll have to figure that out. But for now, just a little voiceover, and we ended up going the wrong way initially. It was a little like side lit. Four bass this trip, all smallmouth. Yeah. We have landed on Omaha Beach. Campsite 39. Doesn't get prettier than that. I guess if you threw a couple big mountains back there. Alright, let's take a gander up here. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, man, this is nice. Someone left a grill, too. All right. I'm going to use that. Yup. Oh, there's a privy up here, dude.
Wow. Some people scavenging some wood up here for sure. Jeez. Oh, there it is. A little dumper over here. Get your morning coffee. All right. There's worse places to go to the bathroom. That's pretty nice. I brought TP, but there's a couple.
Paper in a Ziploc bag at the last one.
Yeah. Never seen a flat mushroom like this. It's not Amanita.
61.
They don't even have spores. That's crazy. Well, it's got spores. It doesn't have gills. Here, I'll get your spores around here. They actually say it's not bad to pull those up.
Yeah, that's just like the fruit.
Not bad little camping spot. Not bad at all. A little windy. Nice flat spot up here. I brought a tent. Bobcat brought a hammock. Well, I brought a hammock also, but not for sleeping, just for relaxing. Got the saw, little ferro rod. I don't have to use the poop scoop.
Alright, so tent's all set up. Looking good. The mattress blown up. Beautiful day still. Supposed to get a little rain tomorrow. We set up our hammocks here initially. I left mine there, but Bobcat's sleeping in his, and it got really windy where it was just blowing all over the place. Just relaxing. A lot of time to do nothing, which is so much better than when we're hiking 5 high peaks and gotta rush through it. Grab some wood for the fire, start processing some wood down. Yeah, we're a little windy now. We're a little windy. Yeah, I hope that doesn't stay like that all night. Hopefully that one big log catches. That's why the rock pile is so big. The wind. Just look at where we are. This is that little cleaver I was talking about. The Gerber.
Oh, nice.
Dude, I do not want to cut my finger out here with it. Don't go on the yuck. Sit on the yuck.
big stuff. For what?
To clean that pan.
Oh. Yeah. That toilet paper you found on the ground?
Yeah. I didn't. No. I didn't use that. I used. Let's get these foil packs going. Yeah, this is plenty of potato. Oh, get out of there! No! Do not. I do not trust myself at all. This thing is like a razor. Exactly that. Alright, that's one foil pack done. One more time. I really enjoy these. Nice. Big.
What was that?
What?
In there.
It's the dinner. What do you mean?
What's in there?
Meat and
Oh, you already made.
all these. Meat, I cut up potatoes. I know I have more
So what
potato. I do. There was a ton of potato.
What you want to try to do, you want to make it like a little funnel so like there's an air hole. Are we going to go back out on the boat?
Yeah, sure.
We're going to try to use these to prop up.
Like, we don't have to cook this now. We can cook it when we get back. Don't matter. You know what I mean? Bourbon pork.
Yeah. I'm hungry for something.
Oops, I guess the camera's up here. Get out of here, I just got bit again. Yeah, there's plenty. I was like, I think I'm thinking. You're just gonna do it just like that, dude?
What?
Hold on, why does it look like I have way more than this? You want more of these?
What?
Potatoes?
Yeah.
Alright, so walk us through this part. Keep on this piece. I don't usually put water in. Did you already put water in yours?
Yeah, I put some water in.
Can I use some of yours?
Yeah.
How much?
Just like 1 or 2 tablespoons worth.
More?
That's enough.
That's enough?
Yep.
A little more.
There's a little steam in there. I'm just gonna form it up like that.
I'm just gonna do like I was gonna do. You got enough of this, right?
Yeah.
Bobcat knows how to do these, and I just wrap them up. Alright, obviously, that's what happens when you take things apart. Do it right the first time. Alright. Some semblance of order here. Okay. Just gonna steam mine, grill them, whatever. Just like this. Flip this guy. We should still be good. That's what I usually do. I might get some burnt pieces. That's true. Yeah, you want to go try and catch some fish?
Yeah, we could do that.
I'm gonna try out Bobcat's. What's it, an A-light monarch butterfly or something?
Oh yeah. I guess you don't need 4 legs when you got the other 2, right? Yeah, it's pretty smooth. I like it. It's pretty comfortable. You have to get one of these. You walked away and I was like, what the heck?
Bobcat doing a little wood processing. Got our meals cooked. Bobcat did it the open way there, but I think he did not have it on hot enough coals. He was in the front of the fire, so he's still a little raw there. Mine are back on really hot coals where the main fire was, so we're good to go here. Perfect. Potatoes were nice and soft. Meat was fully cooked. And it was pretty darn delicious, if I do say so myself.
Mm. Woo! Edit. It's good though.
Little toffee, almond and toffee, pumpkin ale, before we head out, do a little bit of fishing here.
We have to switch back to the Phoebe. It's dead quiet out here. I did not know it had one on there.
For the tail
No.
or the spine?
Ah, don't stick me, dude.
He looks like he's been hooked before. Look at his other lip.
There's my one. Bobcat's Welsh. So I got 100% Welsh milk, carefully aged and selected to ensure an extraordinary taste sensation. Powerful, extra mature cheddar. Oh, we'll see how this. Pretty good. Very good. Who's that, Bear Grylls? Wash it down with an Italian beef stick.
Yeah?
Grass-fed and finished beef. What's finished mean? Everything else, they were just like, just put it out. Some sparks go.
Huh?
Jeez.
There's sparks?
Where? I don't see any sparks. So look, it was getting a little chilly out here. I switched into socks for the sandals and some pajama pants, winter hat, and I'm happy I brought it. Had a fleece and a vest.
Alright, good morning. A little windy today and we're supposed to get rain. So, we'll see. I went out there and threw some sticks in the fire thinking we had a ton of coals and it was going to start right up. But the wind is just blowing pretty good and just cooled the coals all down, so it didn't start up at all. Bobcat's still sleeping. We gotta get a fire going and get some eggs, and might be eggs and hot dogs. That's our eggs and sausage today for breakfast. So we had the eggs in the bottle. It's getting a little thicker. I got a big jumbo guy here, so. Cup of Joe, little eggs to go. Oh, dude, this is a ton of eggs. Yeah, we're good, man.
I think so.
Yeah.
Very good.
Cowboy coffee.
This is bourbon bacon coffee. catch some lunch. No rain so far, it's just windy, so I got to use GoPro audio here. Breakfast was good. We got some hot dogs and some chicken burritos and these amazing Chinese spare rib things. Oh man, they're so good. Let me show you quick. If your grocery store has these, pick them up. Here we are. Chinese style boneless pork strips on the fire. I think this is the best thing I ever made. I don't know how good it is for you, but it's amazing. From Bianco and Sons Quality Meats, and they're out of Massachusetts. Wait till you see these cooked. Bobcat's cooking a hot dog. Well, friends, we got some rain. Bobcat went over to his shelter, his hammock, tarp, and probably go over there and pull up a chair under the tarp. Camping. Fire's still going good though. Now these little guys, little puff balls that the rain drops on them, and it helps spit their spores out just like that. So I'm helping them along here. They're pretty darn cool. I like these. Trying to drag this tree over, chop it up, and the camera doesn't like to stay on. Doing a little cutting. Luckily this little island had a ton of dead wood on it, so we did our part to help clean some of that up. Crunch and flame. Little hot dog. Little hot dog on a stick. Actually forgot to cook those with the eggs, but that's alright. Little mid-afternoon snack here. It was good, but super salty. Cheese helped out with a little bit of savory to that. Salty and savory.
Burrito, wrapping up a burrito. Go ahead.
Here I'm just I found some fat wood. When the trees die, pine trees, all the sap comes down to the bottom of the branches that are closer to the trunk of the tree, and you can use that, you know, and peel it off and it lights up like gasoline. So it's bored and doing a little bit of woodwork here, a little bit of whittling, and gonna make a little piece of jewelry out of this little necklace.
Come on. There we go. That's some sick fat wood, man.
Good with that seasoning on it.
Oh my god. No wonder why it tastes delicious. Look at the freaking oil, man.
Oh yeah.
You want me to pour that on some of your food?
No.
Yeah, this cheese already was good. Oh. Cheers. That's good. You don't even need the oil. Got a ton of flavor. God, look at that goodness. There's no shortages of meals here. Little tuna creations. And you put seasoning in there or no?
No, no seasoning.
Oh, sorry, I got Japalinos.
Yeah.
Made these birthday candles for your outdoor enthusiasts.
Oh.
Who you call them fat? Little troll colony here. They got their Christmas tree here. Looked pretty cool. Had to toss it in here.
Oh, there's some dead trees over here, dude. Ooh, might be alright firewood here. That's gnarly looking. We're about 3/4 of the way around the island already. I wonder what these are. I got no internet, or else I'd use my little plant identification. Because I don't know what that is. So right in here, I think, is where Bobcat has his tarp. Yep, I see it.
Oh man, come on now. That's cold. It's pretty cold, dude.
It's so cold now, it's like it's burning.
You like
So hot.
Oh
yeah.
Look, in your shower on full cold. It's
Yeah.
underground water.
But yesterday the water was warm. Like I can understand the air getting cold, but like the water wouldn't drop that quick. Fast.
feel as bad now that I'm getting out.
It's gotta be like 50 degrees in there.
So this is a big tree stump. In case you didn't notice that. It's a gnarly one. Yep, I'm pretty sure something's living in there. Could take this guy home for some firewood. But yeah, I don't think I'm getting that thing up. So, I'll just take this little guy with me. Alright, thought this was interesting. A piece of driftwood. Definitely would look good in a terrarium. Little lizard in there. Yeah, this looks a little better. Little chicken, cheese, beans, rice. Toast it up all nicely. Yeah, not bad. Alright, time to make a little necklace here. Took a little root from the bottom of a tree and peel it off. Yep, little forest jewelry. Ready to see the jewelry?
Go. Nature's fire steel. Nature's fire steel. Chest.
Oh my god, you guys. Bobcat got a squirrel, man. You gotta call the pork police. It was way more funny when it was live. Anyway, these things are gonna be awesome. As always. There we go. Some people might think that's done, but I'm gonna charm up real nice. Got the little wood stove going. Little Uberleben stoker. Boiling some water. And that's what I'm talking about. Alright. These are a little bit bigger than normal. And a little bit fatty. You see the little bit of fat on the left. They usually, by the time I'm done charring them like this, I don't have anything on them. But because these pieces are a little bit bigger than they normally come, Bobcat's enjoying it. Oh, look at that. Look at that ring around that. It's not a smoke ring. That's just a flavor ring. Being in that bag. Soaking up all the good juices. Yep. You want to cook something on a fire, it's going to be that. Perfect now, no wind, very light breeze, nothing like earlier. Perfect temperature outside. Fire feels nice and warm. This is perfect, man. Pretty realistic, I think. I wish I had all the audio from these laughs. I know here I was like, oh, I'm never watching you guys again. You're so irresponsible. But we made sure We watch those sparks. Alright, good morning, guys.
And I got the cup of Josie. And we're just gonna kind of take a walk down here and just sit at the water like Bobcat's doing. Yeah. As you see, we're gonna get the old Sportster up and ready before we enjoy our bourbon bacon coffee.
I like those people that talk in their videos, like you kind of almost like just relax and go to sleep.
We're just gonna head right out here and enjoy a cup of coffee at the lakeside here. Yes, that looks like a good spot.
Alright, so everything's all packed up. Leave no trace. Left it like we found it. Yeah, got the rig all packed up and ready to roll out. A little push from Bobcat. Drop that motor down. And we're ready to roll. That island straight ahead of us is 41 and 42 are on there. 41 is the one that has the beach that I need to try and get next time. It'll be hard not going back to a good old Melody Island back there. That was nice. Gonna miss it. Leaves just starting to change up here.
The seas are choppy, boys and girls. Crashing right into those waves. That's big, dude. Oh, oh my God, dude. You're gonna have to take this monster off. Oh my God, bro. Oh Oh my God. Oh no! I lost him! He was an actual bass, man, like a real one. Oh man, that was awesome. Do you see the size of him?
You didn't see it?
I had the camera like facing you.
Oh man. It was like this, it was like 15 inches long. Oh, I hope that got on here. At least popping its head up. That was enormous. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh my God, I can't stand. Whew, we reached the shore. Was it 2 miles?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna eat here at the Stillwater. Alright, they got the clam chowder. I wasn't a fan of the consistency of it, but it had a ton of clams in it. And I ate every last drop, so. Got that in the poutine with egg and bacon. Can't go wrong. Usually I'm eating this after like a hike whenever we go out to eat after, and everything is amazing. But we were spoiled this whole weekend with a bunch of different food, as you saw, so this is just nice fatty food. Yeah. Love the hair, dude. Love the hair. Yeah, so we filled up there, then hit the road. It's 8-mile dirt road. Got the rims nice and dirty. But yeah, this was an awesome trip. I had a lot of fun and it was very relaxing, and I will definitely, that's what I'm saying here, something like that. I'm definitely coming back. Liked it a lot. So we'll see you next time. Toss some photos in here.